You can expect a lot from the 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as blind spot sensor, a roof rack, and power seats. The memory system includes pedal position, allowing multiple drivers to find their preferred driving positions easily. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 20-gigabyte hard drive, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.